What's up? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's World. Today you get DW in the building, people, and he's bringing the noise with an awesome analog / digital watch face. Now I know what you're gonna say. It looks a little busy. I'm telling you, I love it. It gives me everything I need all in one place. Now the name of the watch face is called DW71. I'm telling you, it's a good look for an analog / digital watch face. Everyday watch face, yes, people, definitely a dress down watch face. Now, in the AOD mode, I kind of like the look of this one. The hands glow green, you get your digital time at the top as well, and you're going to be able to get your date, battery info. Nice for AOD mode, not bad at all. But once the watch face is on, you're greeted with a whole host of things. First of all, get 12-hour time, get the moon phase up at the top, get a second hand here, get the day, the date. Also, you get your battery percentage, your goal completed status, step status, music, phone, messages, heart rate. You see what I'm talking about? You see where I'm going with this? You get everything all in one place. I'm loving the look. I do like the design and the layout of this because it does give me everything that I need. Now, I don't know what this is, but you got a slight animation going on there. Right around the rim or the bezel of the watch. I like the way that lights up white. I think it adds a little bit of character to the watch face, really makes it stand out. And yes, people, the watch face is interactive. So if I tap on the moon phase, I can get my weather. I tap on my date, my time. I can set an alarm, calendar, information. Of course, you can get your settings, tweak your watch however you see fit. Music, phone, messages, steps, because they know you enter your steps. You need all that information on your run, and you also can get your heart rate, people. I'm telling you, DW did an excellent job with this one. I like the look, I like the uniqueness of it all, but the question is, what do you think? Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this analog watch face. I thought DW did a great job once again, and as always. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. If you enjoyed it, please, before you leave, hit the like button on the way out. Tell somebody about Huck's World. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead, subscribe to the channel. And I'm going to see you all again at the next video. Happy Hump Day.